Is car sex legal in 2026? The elite guide to backseat boundaries. In 2026, the drive-in experience has taken on a whole new meaning. Whether it's the thrill of the risk or simply a lack of better options, vehicular intimacy remains a popular yet legally murky pastime. But before you recline those bucket seats, you need to know, is your romantic detour a misdemeanor in the making? The short answer, it's not about the act. It's about the audience. 1. The golden rule: reasonable expectation of privacy. There is no specific federal car sex law. Instead, law enforcement relies on public decency and lewdness statutes. The legality hinges on one concept: visibility, public view. If a passerby, a child, or a patrolling officer can see the goods from a public vantage point, you are breaking the law. Private property. Doing it in a closed garage or a fenced-in driveway, generally legal. Doing it in a Walmart parking lot, that's a gamble. 2. The legal consequences. A state-by-state minefield laws vary wildly across the U.S. What gets you a move along in one state could get you a permanent spot on a registry in another. The big three charges: public lewdness, engaging in sexual acts where others are present; indecent exposure, intentionally showing private parts to offend or annoy; disorderly conduct, the catch-all charge for disturbing the peace. State-specific snapshot, 2026 update. State potential charge, the danger factor. California PC 647, A, lewd conduct high, can lead to Tier 1 sex offender registration. Texas PC 21.07, public lewdness, moderate, usually a Class A misdemeanor, jail time is possible. Florida statute 800.03, extreme. Florida has strict exposure laws that are aggressively enforced. New York PL 245.00, public lewdness, moderate, often downgraded to a violation for first-time offenders. 3. The tint. Myth. Does it protect you? Many believe that 5% limo tint creates a legal, private room. The reality, tinting might prevent a casual passerby from seeing you, but if an officer has probable cause, heavy rocking, fogged windows, and 20 degrees Celsius weather, or loud noises, the tint won't save you from a knock and talk that ends in handcuffs. 4. Q&A. Your burning questions answered. Q. Can I be arrested if the car is parked on my own property? A. Only if you are visible from the street. If your driveway is open to the sidewalk and a neighbor sees you, it is still public lewdness. Q. What if we are in a lover's lane or remote area? A. Remote is not a legal shield. If a park ranger or hiker stumbles upon you, the public requirement for lewdness charge is met. Q. Is it illegal to just sleep in my car with my partner? A. Sleeping isn't illegal unless there are local no overnight parking ordinances, but clothed cuddling often leads to unclothed activities, which trigger the laws mentioned above. Q. Does 2026 tech, self-driving cars, change anything? A. Even if the car is in full self-driving FSD mode, distracted driving laws and public decency laws still apply. You cannot engage in sexual acts while the vehicle is in motion on a public highway. 5. The verdict. How to stay safe if you must take it to the car in 2026. Privacy is king. Use sunshades and high-quality window covers. Location matters. Avoid school zones, parks, and bright streetlights. Consent and age. Ensure both parties are of legal age. Otherwise, you're looking at a felony, not a misdemeanor.